I threw this plant away. Many a plants of this Syngonium I threw away because I couldn't stop growing this plant. This is one of the permanent low care plants which you can grow with a single stem cutting. Fits into any planter, even a broken planter, it will grow widely. And these are some of the varieties of Syngonium. Look at this pink Syngonium, how beautiful. Look at this. I threw away one of the Syngonium stems and it touched my parapet wall along with the wandering Jew. It grows up and up. So Syngonium plants are for beginners who doesn't know much about plants. This plant is ideal for a beginner gardener. This is a permanent low maintenance plant, low care plant. There are hybrid varieties as well. So friends, this is ideal for any planter. So once you bring it from a nursery, keep it in the shade. That is the first tip I give you. This is a shade loving plant and indoor plant. You can grow very easily. No fertilizer needed. So this plant you can grow with stem cuttings, and also this is for the shady corner. Keep it indoors as an indoor plant, or else if you place it outdoors, make sure to keep it in a shady area. That is very important. These plants can easily be propagated in water. Keep it in a glass jar, the stems of cuttings of this Syngonium plant, where you can see the growth of the roots. So these are low care plants. Keep it in a windowsill in your home, keep it on a desktop or anywhere you like. They will grow really very healthily. Now this one is there for weeks and I kept it indoors and the growth is amazing. So you need only a stem, propagate them in water, and after that you can transfer it to soil if you wish to, and put it to any plant. When it comes to watering, do not go to overwater. That one thing you'll have to keep in mind, because if you keep on watering these plants, the leaves of the plants will turn yellow and you will soon lose the plant. So do not do that. Skip watering every day if you have kept it indoors. So this is a wonderful plant to grow from stems, low care and low maintenance permanent plant. So this plant, friend, doesn't need any fertilizer. If you really wish to give any fertilizer, use tea or coffee fertilizer, that is fine, and or any other vegetable peel fertilizer also good. So when talking about the soil mixture, garden soil with sand, or you can add a little bit of cocoa peat, that's enough, that's fine. Even if you can't find any sand, cocoa peat and garden soil will be fine. So that is the soil mixture, and you know now the sunlight levels and watering, and when it comes to propagation, put them in soil or water. So that's about the Syngonium, the best plant to grow as a beginner. Pink Syngonium, and look at this variety. These are hybrid plants of Syngonium, and look at this. This is in a DIY planter, and the common Syngonium. These are the varieties of Syngonium plants. They are low maintenance and permanent in your garden. If you are a beginner, these are the best plants. Grow them from stem cuttings where the node is appearing. When you're selecting a cutting for your next propagation, see that these plants have even a small root appearing. So that is very important, because these leaves cannot be propagated. A root should be there. So that one thing keep in mind. So these are very easy growing plants, low maintenance plants, and also one of the beautiful leafy plants. So friends, this is about the Syngonium plant. So if you have any questions or any comments, you can put them in the comment bar below. So I'm Thamara, your gardener. If you have not joined my channel and Instagram, you can join me now. Press the bell button for more notifications, and thanks for watching today's video. If you are new to my channel, press the bell button also and subscribe for more gardening videos.